In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the library not loading issue on Gumroad quickly and easily. If your Gumroad library is not loading, you may not be able to access your purchases, downloads, or memberships. In most cases, this is caused by browser cache problems, extensions, login session errors, or internet connection issues. Now let's go step by step to fix it. First, refresh the page. Sometimes the library simply fails to load because of a temporary loading issue, so refresh your browser and wait a few seconds. If that does not work, log out of your Gumroad account and sign back in again. Session errors are very common and relogging often fixes the issue immediately. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can stop the library page from loading correctly. After clearing the cache, reopen your browser, log back into Gumroad, and try opening the library again. You should also try opening Gumroad in an incognito or private browsing window. If the library loads properly there, the issue is most likely caused by browser extensions or saved browsing data. Then, temporarily disable ad blockers, script blockers, and privacy extensions because these tools can interfere with Gumroad's dynamic content. After that, check your internet connection. Switch to another Wi-Fi network or try mobile data if your current connection is unstable. Slow or interrupted internet can prevent the library page from loading fully. You can also try using another browser or another device. If Gumroad works on another browser or phone, then the problem is local to your current browser setup. Finally, check whether Gumroad servers are experiencing downtime. Sometimes the issue is caused by temporary platform problems rather than your own device. Usually, Gumroad library loading issues happen because of browser cache conflicts, extensions, unstable internet, or expired login sessions. So clearing browser data and testing in private mode solves the problem most of the time. That's it. Once you refresh your session and clean your browser properly, your Gumroad library should load normally again.